pens. Before we do that, let's get
Bro,
the pens.
before we do that, bro, I'm literally gonna get the VR headset, my guy, bro. Don't mind.
Where's the pens? Where can you get those pens?
Bro, wait, oh yeah, by the way, today we're gonna they have a new update, so yeah, let's check it out. Yeah. They did not add another a bottom floor, okay? So let's, bro.
Oh, here's the pen.
Bobby Lob. Where's your chubby
How do I
on the
buy
corn
it?
on the
It's
cob?
not saying I bought it.
Bob,
Dude, it
the
doesn't
corn on
say
the
I
cob
bought
built
it.
like Mr. and Rob. Corn on the cob,
I'm
built like a
clicking
frog.
it, but it will not let me buy it. How do I buy it?
Of course, bro, you don't know how to buy something, bro? Okay,
I
did
pressed
you hear that?
I pressed it.
Okay, right here, come here. And then you press this with your palm, you dumb idiot. I don't have to explain you this 10 more times, 10 many times. But I'm gonna get this VR headset so bad.
I'm gonna put on that pencil.
Bro, who even needs a pen, bro?
Dude, I'm drawing, look!
Yippee! Okay, no, bro, we have to check out the
Dude,
new
that's true
update.
Picasso.
Remember?
Look, I'm gonna draw something really good.
What is that? What in the world? What the? What is that? A peep?
Yeah, you know it.
Ah! Oh no, pen from the hole. Oh yeah, by the way, that did this last update as to let you know. Do you see what it's like? Yeah, they have that. They have that.
Dude, try and come up.
You're not gonna trick me, idiot. And why does soap float on water?
I'm putting pink over it.
Wait, stand where my hand is.
I can't see your hand.
It's like literally at the floor. It's not at the shower. You see it?
No. Oh yeah.
Okay, just stay. Okay. Now it's disappeared. Now keep staying there.
Now what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? True Picasso.
You cannot get me now, bitch. Nope, he's coming from my booty cheek.
Dude, what are you doing?
I try to escape.
What are you doing? You can escape with me standing here? Oh my god. You made me... Wait, stand still, stand
dying
still.
elephant.
Wait, stand still. I'm gonna make you have a helmet. I'm gonna make a helmet. Don't move. Like, do this. Stop moving. You made me mess up. I forgot it. I took a... I'm just... Come on,
You wanna check out the new update? But wait, what are you doing? Okay, fine, let's do this. Bro, where are you going? Let's see what they got for experience.
Let's get slippery body. I'm gonna buy slippery body.
My ball! Nah, bro. That experiencing. Okay, follow me. I said follow me.
I want to put on slippery body and bouncy body.
Come on.
Oh, that's so cool.
Come on. Follow me. Bro, this new update kind of sucks. I'm not even lying, bro. They just added 2 new maps. I want the horror, which is basically not the horror.
There's actually 3.
No, there's not, bro. Since when did?
Yeah, there is.
How?
You know that map that was in the... You know that map that was...
Bro, oh damn, guy. Oh,
Wait,
no.
smack me in.
Your balls.
Jump down.
Okay.
Where are you? There.
Oh, damn, Daniel. Oh. Oh.
This is just called computer hacking this.
No perpetejo.
What did you say? Did you fall? Where are you?
I'm gonna try to do a ball
Get
flip.
me, my friend.
What the? Nah, bro, I was about to do a ball flip. I'm drunk. Oh! Almost did it.
Come here,
Oh,
man.
look, one more time. If it almost lands, you know how to do it.
Oh, I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Bro, you
Dang
turn,
it.
bro, yours turn upside down, my guy. Ah! Ah! I flipped it! I flipped it! I did it! I flipped it! I flipped it!
I don't see it. Oh, I did it for a second.
Nah, bro, I just put it. I just made it go out the. Bro, nah. Wait, stand here. Wait. Nah, bro, nah. Nah, that milkshake came out of nowhere. Wait, no.
There's a milkshake in there.
Now, this one is gonna come out of nowhere.
I love
Yo,
milkshake.
nah. Shit, trip. Nah, bro, the milkshake. I knew that would happen, but it just felt so bad. Oh, shit. I did it again. This is so cool.
Wait, let's make a video.
Nah, but wait.
Let's make a video.
Bro, what are you doing to my milky shakies?
Wait, no. Take one. No. Don't take them. We're making a video. We're gonna make a video.
Bro, I literally started recording you, you dumb idiot.
Get over there.
Bro, stop grabbing my milkshake! Oh! 3 times in a row! Well, not actually. Well, it's not actually 3. No way, I did it again! Okay, I'll do. Okay, one more time. Oh, okay. Let's go! 5 times, bro! 5 times! I flipped it like 5 times, bro! Damn!
Come here.
I couldn't even. Wait, come on. Nah, that thing. Get tripping. Hey, yo, 6 times, bro! I'm gonna try to do it farther. Bro, what the heck? 7 times! I'm gonna try to do it 10 times. No!
I did it! I twisted it, landed.
Oh, 7, 8 times, I think. 9 times? 10 times! I did it! Wait. Oh, that's so close. But where'd you go? No.
I'm up here on the pole. I'm on that rainbow pole.
What the? Hey! No, bro, you
Wait,
put your.
make a video. Make an animated.
I'm literally.
Let's make like
No, bro, I'm gonna try to do this. I'm gonna try to do a farm one.
Come on, let's make it.
Oh! Like 12 times, man.
Come on.
Oh, no way! Oh! No milkshake, but.
Let's
Oh, I
make
took
a
it away
video.
from you. Bro, I can't get your other milkshake, bro. Sharing is caring. Oh, yeah, I remember.
let's go.
Bro, we did not even pay attention, bro. We did not even pay attention to what we were doing.
Alright, let's make a video. No, we're not going up there. We're not going up there. Come on.
We're gonna check out Monkey Craft. After like doing that after doing 12 times of bottle flipping, damn. Yeah, they added, just skip the clip where there was a lot of bottle flipping, my guy.
I'm going down. So, tripping. Can you see my hand?
Yeah, I can. My son saw it, I cute bunny. It just kind of sucks. And let me out. Monkey Car is just nothing, bro.
Come on, let's check this out, and then we're gonna
Case and Monkey Craft.
We're not gonna do Monkey Craft. There's another place. There's another spot. Oh.
This is Monkey Craft out here. Crafting, and this is
Monkey be sliding.
I say rifle creepo. Y'all you can actually stand on it.
Can you go inside there?
No, bro, there's like something invisible, bro.
Wait. Where are you going? Dude, stop going everywhere. I want to show you something. Come on. Come on.
Come here, balls.
Come on. I want to show you something. Come on, this one.
But that was added like 3 last updates or 2 or 4.
Why would...
Bro, they added that like last 4 updates or last 3 updates, bro. Come on.
Here, let's go to the game now. Let's go to the other game now. Let's go to the Horned Gorilla.
Alright, we're still gonna be in this game.